Hello, how do I avoid buying stocks with low volume? I think I avoid that by choosing a specific type of stocks to swing trade. By swing trading large cap stocks and more especially growth large cap stocks automatically, I think I eliminated without even thinking about it, I eliminated low volume stocks. Because when I'm swing trading, I don't even think about whether the volume is low or high. And because I'm not buying, I think I'm doing multiple things that help with that. I'm not buying a large quantity of shares, and I'm buying large cap stocks, at least at this moment. But I like to give a try to small cap and mid cap, but I'm buying large cap stocks that are sold on NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange. So those are elimination process that I put my stocks through to have a specific um, stock watch list that I swing trade from. So creating a specific watch list to swing trade from, I already um, put them through some elimination process to have a curated list that I swing trade from. And when I'm swing trading from that list, I don't even worry about whether it has a large, the number of stocks trading on the market on a daily basis, if that's large volume or not, or if there is, if I'm going to buy, if there is a large volume of trading going on that day to support what I'm seeing, because I'm not, buying because something special is going on that day. There is like a very big drop or a very big increase or anything like that. So just the normal everyday occurrence with the stock. So therefore, I'm not looking for high volume of trading going on the markets when I'm buying or when I'm selling. And then I'm holding on to the stocks for a relatively long period of time because I'm buying it at the valley and I'm selling it at the peak, or at least around those extremes. I'm trading eh, um, around those extreme side of the swings. So therefore, I'm holding on to it for a longer period of time, and I'm not buying a large quantity of shares. So therefore, to sell, I'll be able to sell it without problem. It's not like I'm buying thousands or millions of shares that I don't have a problem to sell if there is not much trading for that high volume of shares trading on a daily basis for when I wanted to sell to be able to sell it. Today we are going to analyze ADI as of May 15, 2026. So when I'm looking at ADI on maximum daily chart, I wanted to buy at this support line. I already determined where I want to buy. But right now, the price is closer to the peak of the mountain than it is close to the valley. So therefore, I'm not going to do anything. And when I'm going to buy, I'm not really looking for anything special. I just say if it pulls back to the the support line I want to buy at, I will buy some shares. And I could go to maximum monthly chart to see if there is another line below, but this is 5 years long. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So this is 5 years long or more. So therefore, it's not enough for me to feel comfortable buying shares there. If it turns out to come lower here, I might buy some as well. So that is to the extent I do my analysis and I buy my stocks. So, and the chart comes with volume here, but frankly, I don't really pay attention to it. And when you are looking at the volume of trade going on here is in the millions, I'll assume volume of trade or shares are really frankly don't know if that's the number of shares trading. I will assume so, number of trading going on. But either way, it does not really matter to what I'm doing. So therefore, I don't even try to know it. I only focus on knowing more and more of what I'm using, what I'm doing, so that I can understand it better and improve it better. And everything else, I just try to ignore it. Yes, it's good to know those things, but if it's not directly related to my swing trade, I prefer to focus my energy and know what I'm interested in. Because again, I do a lot of things to reach our financial independence. I do a lot of things, and I only for every single one of those things that I do, I focus on what interested me there. I don't trying to specialize on one thing like swing trading, specialize on swing trading and know everything about swing trading, all the strategy out there to know all um the technique. Now I only specific on one strategy that is working for me, and I'm trying to find stocks that strategy can work with. Not trying to trade all the stocks out there and the strategy that will work for each one of them, but I pick a strategy that makes sense to me, is for with my conservative, my low risk tolerance um, personality. The strategy that makes sense to me for me to understand to swing trade with, I pick that, and I'm trying to improve it, and I'm trying to find stocks that I can swing trade using that strategy. And that is all I'm focusing on, to try to better myself doing that, and that's what I'm sharing. But when it comes to the strategy you are using, the volume might matter to you. So when you are swing trading, how do you avoid low volume stocks? Thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments. We thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could over time become another stream of income. Just start small and slowly but surely grow your accounts from there. And as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what is working for me, what is not working, what my knowledge and skills are with you, so that if you find something useful, you can customize it, improve it to use in your own financial success journey. So will you please use our information with caution. Thank you so much for your time. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrends in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for pouches, tote bags, cloth napkins, 100% cotton napkins, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.